Alright. What is going on? Halloween is sadly over, but all the sales have come out, and we've got a lot of stuff to open today. We have cavity colors stuff that I got in, of course, after Halloween. Some Walmart sales, some Spirit Halloween sales, but let's get to it. Open up some of these things. So first off, we have the Killer Clowns soundtrack on too, but we have the Killer Clowns little ray gun here. I already had the popcorn one, but this was on sale, so I had to pick this up. It does work. Holy epilepsy. It's pretty dope. Alright. I actually really want to do the Spookbag next from Cavity Colors. This is the first year I got this. This is super cool. So let's open everything up and see what's inside. So first off is the t-shirt. Let's check it out. It's fucking hot. Alright, that is cool. Check it out. Is it in? Yeah. Okay, a better setup, but it's tight. That's the t-shirt. What else we got in here? Spooky Snack Creeps. Got a rot dog. I should go through all those, but I'll put them to the side for now. A Halloween cut, that's pretty cool. That's super cool. I like that one. Next up we have some socks. They're like killer popcorns. Fits the Killer Clowns. Cool. Got a pen. Oh, that's sick. Very cool. And then we have a couple of extra pins here. Grindhouse, Terror Train. And that's the Spookbag for 2024. Possibly, oh wait, is there more? I lied, there's more. Looks like a bookmark and a couple other things. Damn, I stack these up. Oh, there's actually like candies in here. I like the bag in general, the bag's really cool. Alright. You got a handful of I don't like Smarties, but there is Smarties in there. That's cool they actually put candy in there though. Put these down. Little cool bookmark. I already have a bunch of these I gotta find and show. I love the bookmarks they do. Even though I've read like one book. And it was for school. I read more, but still. A little keychain for Cavity Colors. See that? It's pretty cool. And then it just shows you who packed it. They usually do that in every order. Alright, that is the Spookbag. I also got a couple pins that came in with it. I got a Trick or Treat one, I love that one. And then a Suspiria one, the OG. I got a new vest I gotta do soon, so I needed some more pins and patches. Alright, next up we got a bunch of these guys from Walmart that was on sale. So I was going to open these up and see what we get. I'm really hoping it's the ash one. You can't really see it behind the sale sticker, but that's the one I really wanted and I'm hoping we get. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bought 5 of these fucking things, so ash better be in one. Let's see. They're child-proof, so I can't get into it. I'm gonna grab Skizzes. Alright, mission accomplished. Okay, Candyman's the first one. I have no idea what to do with all these after I open all of them. Okay, Carrie. That one's actually really cool. Should be like a laundry line to just hang all these up. Oh shit, Jeepers Creepers. I didn't even know that one was in there. That's really cool. Dude, I swear if Ash isn't in one of these, I'm gonna be heated. I don't know who the fuck this is. Oh, is this the big titty lady from Killer Clowns? It looks like. Does this say? It is. It is Daisy. I forgot her name. At least they're all different ones. They're not like all the same. What is this? Oh, that is so... I'm actually really happy I got that. I didn't even know that was one of them. This was like a spirit one too, way back in the day, but this is from Walmart. That is really cool. I like that one. That one's fucking thick. Thicker than a Snicker. Alright, last one. Come on, Ash. Fingers crossed. Ah, it's not Ash. Is this Pumpkinhead? Who is this? It is Pumpkinhead. Okay. All cool, but my disappointment is immeasurable. I didn't get Ash. I have to go back to Walmart and see if there's more later. Alright, next up is another Walmart one. It's a mystery one. I'm hoping it's going to be Pennywise. There's Pennywise, the Nun, the Bloody Bride, Annabelle, or the Crooked Man. You can see it on the side. So let's hope it is Pennywise. Put it in foil and everything now. Yeah. What we got? We got the Nun. Still cool though. I like how it actually has like a platform for him. If they have more, I might buy another one to get Pennywise. And same with Ash. I want Ash for the other one. Alright, next up is another spirit one. This is just a little ghost face I got. If you didn't know, everything's on sale right now because after Halloween they do that. So I got the ones I really did want today, and tomorrow I'm going to go back for the 50% day. Today was 25% off. This is a Walmart t-shirt, literally $6. A little Chucky one. It comes like a VHS tape, which is pretty cool. Here's the shirt. It smells very weird. I'm gonna wash this first. It smells like Clorox wipes or something, I don't know. Alright, I actually wanted this from Walmart for a little while, but it was expensive. It was like 40 bucks. So it was on sale for, I think it was 20. It's the Jeepers Creepers van, but it is a Bluetooth speaker. So I thought that was super cool. I'm probably not gonna use the actual speaker. I'm probably just gonna put it on display, but it is very cool. Alright, 2 things left. Just Beetlejuice cards I got. Super cheap. I don't have a deck of cards, so I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. And lastly, we have a trick-or-treat mystery thing. So it comes with a patch, a button, a decal, and a lanyard. So we're gonna open it up and see what those look like. But they don't have the actual VHS tapes there. That'd be cool. I like how it does come in a VHS tape though. Reminds me of the Disney ones. Oh, and actually has like a fake VHS even in there. Collector's box, it says. It's cool. You even got the trick-or-treat handwriting on it. Killer Clown soundtrack's my jam though. That's why I have that going. Alright. This is the lanyard. Let's check this out. That's cool, that's cool. Actually, have some taxidermy to hang this stuff off of, so I'll probably hang this up. A little trick-or-treat knife. It's a slicer. And this is actually double-sided. It's got the trick-or-treat, and then it's got the picture behind it. Alright, that's the first thing. Damn, the pins aren't like the good ones. They're just like the circular ones. So 2 pins there. Gotta have so many pins. Just do an opening video of those. The patch I like. I could definitely try to fit that in the next piece I do. And is this a vinyl? Yeah, this is there's two in here. I'm gonna open it up and see the other one. Ooh, I like the back one. That's dope. Hands down, dopest dope I ever smoked. And then this guy. All right. That's all I have right now. We might do another one of these if people like this. But I appreciate if you took the time to check this out. And yeah, if you want to see another, let me know. Peace.